Hi, my name is Charlene, and I'm a docent with the Evansville Museum of Arts, History, and Science. Today, we are in our one-room log cabin. Early pioneers had many chores to do around a cabin. They not only had to provide food for their families, but they also had to make all their own clothes by hand. Pioneers used two types of fibers. They used animal fiber and plant fiber to spin on a spinning wheel. One of the fibers of animals that they used is sheep's wool. They would shear the wool from the sheep, then they would wash the wool, they would hang the wool out to dry, and then they would comb the wool. Then the wool would be placed on a spinning wheel. The motion of the spinning wheel would turn the wool into yarn. The yarn would then be woven into material for the pioneers to wear. Wool was very important to the pioneers because it was heavy and was long-lasting. It helped the pioneers during those cold winters. The second fiber that the pioneers used is a plant fiber called flax. The flax plant fiber would be placed on a spinning wheel, and the motion of the spinning wheel would tighten the fibers into a long, thin thread called linen thread. This thread would then be stitched into fabric, and then it would be sewn into clothes, linen clothes, just like the shirt I am wearing today. Linen clothes are very lightweight and very cool and comfortable, so it was beneficial for the pioneers to wear these during those hot summer days. Pioneers could also add color to their clothes. They would do this by gathering items like nuts, berries, or flowers. The pioneers would then either crush or boil these with other ingredients to make a liquid dye. This dye would then be applied to the yarn or thread. As you can see, pioneers worked hard to make their own clothes.